Adding tabs.
We are going to learn how to create a tab effect on our edit form. This technique is extremely useful if you have lots of data to display on your form. Let's learn more by watching the following video. Let's readjust your edit form to make room at the top of the form. Firstly, let's insert a blank horizontal gallery. You would need to insert a blank horizontal gallery by selecting Insert from the menu at the top of the screen, preceded by Layout and Blank Horizontal Gallery. Adjust your gallery so it runs across the top of the edit form. We need to populate the gallery with a table. Select the item's property value from the property drop-down and input the following code. This will create a table that will populate our gallery. Insert a button into your gallery. You will notice X buttons appear that will match the number of entries that you put within your table. Let's change the text property value of the button to this name.tab. This will populate the buttons with the value that will included within our table under the column tab. Readjust the gallery so the buttons are closer together. To create a tab fill, we are going to change the radius top left and radius top right property values to 20. This will curve the corners of the button. We are now going to create a local variable to store the tab value that has been selected. Change the onSelect property value to the following formula. Now, we need to go through each data card and add the following formula to the visible property of each card. See how we adjust the formula on the data cards that we want to appear for the specific tab that has been selected. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.